In this video, we are going to be practicing dividing polynomials using synthetic division. Example 1, use synthetic division to solve this polynomial. First, set it up. You're going to draw your L. -3 goes outside because x plus 3 equals 0. So x equals -3. That's how I find the number that goes outside. Then I just will write down the coefficients. 2, 3, -10, and -3. The first coefficient I just bring down. Then it's -3 times 2 is -6. Then I'm going to add my column. 3 plus a -6 equals -3. Then I do -3 times a -3 is a +9. Then add down your column and you end up with -1. -3 times a -1 is a +3. Add down your column and you get 0. This last number, remember, is your remainder. So in this case, I do not have a remainder. And these are the coefficients of my answer. Now, because I had a cubic divided by a linear, that means my first coefficient is going to decrease by a power of 1. So I'm going to have 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. Example 2. Draw your L. +4 is going to go on the outside because x minus 4 equals 0, x equals 4. Then I write down my coefficients again. The first one just gets brought down. Then it's 4 times 1 equals 4. Add your column. -8 plus 4 is a -4. Then it's 4 times a -4 is a -16. Add your column, and I get a +3. 4 times 3 is 12. Add your column, and I get a +3. So this time I do have a remainder. So my answer is going to be x squared minus 4x plus 3 divided by x minus 4. And the last example. Draw your L again. It's going to be a -2 outside of my L because x plus 2 equals 0. So x equals -2. Now, when I write down my coefficients, I have to remember to write in the constant term of 0 because I have a 1 for a cubic, -2 for a square, 0 for my constant term, or my linear term, and then 1 for my constant term. Now I do the process the same way. Bring down your 1. -2 times 1 is a -2. Add your column. -2 times a -8 is a +16. Add your column. -2 times a +16 is a -32. Add your column. That is your remainder. So then my final answer is x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus 31 over x plus 2. Hopefully this video helps with synthetic division.